Are you saying sit down on my lap? Joshua, did you want to sit on Mackenzie's lap? Yes or no? No. You can sit on the chair. Is it Joshua's turn to drive? Yeah. Okay, Joshua, it's your turn to drive. Okay. Are you keeping us safe, Joshua? Red. It's a red stop sign. Stop. Oh, you're going backwards now. Can you make it go forwards? Can you make it go forwards?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're turning to the right. Is there Tinkerbell on your chair?
Yeah. Cindy's trying to Tinkerbell.
You're sitting on the Tinkerbell?
Lay down.
You're laying down?
Yeah, I'm laying down.
I don't think you need a pillow. Joshua, is it Mackenzie's turn to drive? Yeah? He doesn't want to, sweetie.
Come over, Mama.
Are you gonna drive?
That's a safe.
You're gonna keep Joshua safe?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awful nice of you. You guys are silly. You want to go try to do a somersault?
Yes, to do somersault.
You have to go over to the mats.
Yes, to come over.
Joshua, watch the cord. And go around. Oops.
Can you do it? Can you do it?
Here, we can just move this. No worries.
Yeah.
No worries.
Me.
Thank you, honey. Okay, now don't trip. Okay, go do somersaults and then you can come back and drive.
Hold my hands. Hold my hands.
He doesn't want to, sweet. Oh, okay. He said okay. Will you hold her hand?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you. Woo! Kenzie did a somersault. Are you a frog? Ribbit. 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 That's good hopping like a frog, McKin. Ribbit. Remember to tell me if you need to use the restroom. Oh, Joshua tried to do a somersault. Kenzie did a somersault. Ribbit. Joshua did a somersault. Kenzie did a somersault.